Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Jazz Cash account is active and KYC complete because transfers are blocked otherwise. Once done, check your available balance and keep the recipient number or bank details at hand. Open the Jazz Cash app and unlock it with your PIN or biometrics. Make sure internet is stable. Now tap the appropriate transfer option, send money to bank or merchant, so you can enter the destination. This is the first actionable move to start the load balancing process. You now fill in the transfer details. Select wallet for Jazz Cash to bank for interbank or mobile load for airtime. Pick the correct network to avoid rejection. Enter the recipient number or IBAN precisely, then type the amount. Once entered, add a short reference so you track the transaction later. Before you authorize, review displayed fees and daily limits. This prevents unexpected holds. If everything matches, confirm and authorize with your PIN or OTP, and wait for the processing confirmation. After authorization, save the transaction ID and take a screenshot. You'll need that if issues arise. Check the recipient's account to confirm funds arrived, because that final verification closes the loop. If the transfer shows pending, make sure you didn't exceed daily limits and that Jazz Cash network status is normal. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then retry only if permitted. If funds still fail to arrive, contact Jazz Cash support with the transaction ID. Explain the issue and request reversal or trace immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.